Mr. and Mrs. Peters went to Brighton for a holiday last summer. Brighton is a town by the sea in England. Mr. Peters likes fishing very much, and on the first day he said to his wife, "I'm going to go out fishing on the sea. Are you going to come with me?" "No," his wife answered. "It's cold and windy today." Mr. Peters went out in a boat alone and fished for several hours. But he caught nothing except an advertisement on a piece of plastic for a fish shop in the town. He went back to the hotel and gave it to his wife. "How did you catch that?" she asked him. "A diver put it on my hook," Mr. Peters answered.